This is a 2005 Chevy Tahoe 4.8 liter. I'm going to go start it up and I'm going to show you exactly how we do this test. This is the HMAR Mobile Tech channel, fast and loose, and I'm going to be using my OTC vacuum gauge to measure vacuum from this, what I suspect is a faulty evap canister purge valve. This is what the new one looks like, and this would go directly into the intake manifold, and then this is the part that I'm checking here. Now normally, when this valve doesn't get any power, it's closed. So what you want to make sure you do, so you get this main evap canister purge valve hose off, and then you unplug it so that the computer can't interfere and intermittently turn this thing on and do its duty cycle while you're trying to do your tests. So I already know it's bad, but I just want to show you on camera. So if I just put the end of my vacuum gauge on this, we can see we got 19 inches of vacuum here. So this is crazy. This valve is bad. It's the worst that you could get. I mean, it's literally whatever the intake manifold vacuum is, that's exactly what it is here at this point here. When these canister purge valves get a lot of miles on them and they're old and worn out, you can tap on them, because what will happen is they'll mechanically stick open, and then this is what happens. And then you can see that it's intermittently working. So this valve is faulty. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you what a brand new evap canister purge valve looks like, and then that way you'll have the two in this video to compare against each other, and then that way you'll know exactly what a good one looks like and what a bad one looks like. This is the old one here, so I got it off and I got the new one installed, as you can see there. And I got my OTC vacuum gauge connected, just like I did before in the very beginning when I was testing this bad one. And here's the result. This here confirms that we've got a good evap canister purge valve. And as always, you did a good job. Subscribe, like, and share. Watch some of my other videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.